what is Karkidaka Masam? What happens during Karkidaka Masam? Karkidaka Masam marks the last month of the Malayalam calendar. Karkidaka literally refers to a crab, which is the zodiac sign of Cancer, and Masam means month. But it is also called as Durgada Masam, the month of danger, because of all the hardship it brings due to the heavy monsoon. In fact, over 13 million people across India fall ill during the monsoon season. But why is it so harsh on our bodies? This happens due to a combination of factors. Reduced sunlight lowers serotonin, impacting your mood and mental well-being. The gloomy weather and staying indoors all the time due to rain leads to lower immunity, reduced metabolism, and poor digestion, all signs of aggravated kapha. During this season, Vata also aggravates, which may lead your existing joint pain to worsen and may also lead to bloating and constipation. But it doesn't stop there. In this masam, when Vata aggravates, it disrupts the working of Pitta and Kapha as well, which leads to Tridosha imbalance. This ultimately leads to buildup of the toxins in the body. In fact, historically, the Karkidaka Masam month brought heavy rains, disrupting agriculture and fishing, leading to food scarcity. People stayed indoors for a prolonged period of time, which led to illnesses and low mental morale. In this case, they turned towards spirituality for support. Every evening after sunset, around 6 pm, families would light a diya and sit together to read Ramayana. That's why this Masam is also called Ramayana Masam. It wasn't just a ritual, it was designed to promote healthier thoughts, reduce conflict, and also collectively improve the spirit of the households. The reading was paced in such a way to end on the last day of the Masam. This practice offered emotional grounding. To take care of their physical health, people followed simple dietary and lifestyle practices like consuming the Karkidaka Kanni. While these remain some of the best practices to stay healthy during this season, it might not be fully able to eliminate the toxins from your body. Let me show you why. This is your body, burdened with the toxins of lifestyle, stress, and season. We keep adding more. Unhealthy habits, processed food, late nights. The dirt builds up. Then we try to fix it, eating better, exercising more. But look closely. Toxins still remain. Real transformation begins only when you remove the toxins completely. That's why at Kerala Ayurveda, we have revived these age-old detox therapies from the wisdom of ancient Ayurvedic texts for your modern lifestyle. This Karkidaka Masam, we offer you a complete healthcare package. Therapies and medications designed to remove your toxins, balance your three doshas, and also cleanse your system. We will also guide you in your lifestyle practices, which will help in building and strengthening your immunity. It's not just about getting better. It's about transforming into the best version of yourself. It's time to cleanse, reset, and rise stronger this Karkidaka Masam. Click on the form below or just drop a hi to begin your personalized journey.